Booker Unlimited allows you to create all kinds of transactions in QuickBooks and edit data from QuickBooks directly in a Google Sheet. In this example, I'm going to show you how easy it is to upload dozens, and if you need to, hundreds or thousands of invoices in a second. I very simply populated the sheet with the invoice date, the customer, the line item, the price, the description, and in this case, I'm using a class. You don't have to. Go ahead and click Book, and in a matter of seconds, we are going to see all these invoices created in QuickBooks. Now, you might be wondering, why is the invoice number column blank? That's because if I leave it blank, Booker is smart enough to take the next invoice number sequentially from QuickBooks and use that automatically. And we're going to see that populate back here in the sheet once it's done running. But if you don't want to do that, you can input an invoice number and it will use whatever you tell it to. It's done running. Invoice numbers are in the sheet. I go to our transaction report, I'll refresh it, and you can see all of those invoices have been created in a moment. It's that easy to create transactions in bulk in QuickBooks using Booker. And if you want to edit these or anything else in QuickBooks, Booker can help with that too.